Hello, Mike.
Hi, Sire.
Hi. How you doing?
Good. Oh, so you are here and then you could
No,
not.
I was.
Oh, okay.
I
So,
was on the wrote that comment. I saw that you was uh, watching courses, so
yeah. So,
there was.
um, yeah. At first, I think no one joined. Was I sharing my screen? Oh, seems
Yeah,
like
your
it.
screen is shared. Yeah.
Okay. So I started. I was watching this course, which I don't know if it can be a good use of our time now, since we are the two of us and listening to videos here. Yeah, so in the Symfonics backend, we are using uh,
Oh, SFN is Symfonics.
yes,
Never knew.
yeah. So in the backend, we are using Alexa Phoenix, and
Oh, okay.
yeah, and we are just adding GraphQL.
Oh,
Yeah, so this is the PR that adds GraphQL. It was from 21 days ago, so it needs a review from Federico and maybe Ryder, so that maybe it can be merged, and then we move from there. And we have these issues. Set up Phoenix integration. I don't know what this is about. Enable creation of integration tests. Current behavior integration testing not possible. I think I don't know if you want to do this here. What's integration testing? Uh, is it like the Cypress tests or something?
I'm not familiar with all this Phoenix anything, but
But in the Rails world, what do you consider an integration test?
integration test is like doing end to end. Is like feature test. Is like uh, how can I say? Mm. It's not very clear for me, but I get it like future testing end to end, like not
Yeah.
just testing a model or just testing one controller, but testing a workflow or something like that.
Okay. So Phoenix integration is a set of related server-side integration functions. That's an existing Phoenix context. So Phoenix integration, test support, integration case, and then we add that. Yeah, so the syntax may be a little different. They use these arrow functions to pass the result of this execution to the next function. For example, is saying follow link about us.
Mm.
Then the result of this will be passed as the first argument for this. Then follow link from about us to contact us, and then follow link from contact to privacy, something of the sort. That's what they use the
Okay.
arrow functions for. Yeah, yeah, but I
Okay.
don't think we want to do this here.
Okay. I was attracted by what you was doing because I saw GraphQL, and these days somehow interested on building APIs and those kind of thing. I started some courses on Node.js API,
Oh, okay.
and yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
so there's this other repo that I have. that I was following. Yeah, those are my Python stuff.
Mm.
So there's this other repo that I have. So you've had to just give me a minute. I'll be back.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm back.
Oh,
So work training. Uh, HTTP Elixir, and then this. So there's this other repo that I have, where these guys have they have a Phoenix application setup. So it's using a Phoenix backend and um, a Phoenix backend and a React front end, just the same case that we have. And then they have in their backend they have GraphQL setup, so you can so in backend, so mix.exs is like the, is it gem file in
I
Rails?
don't know.
Yeah, yeah. The what do we use to track like dependencies in Rails? It's like the gem file.
Yeah, it's gem file. Yeah.
Yeah, so this is like the gem file. So they add this thing, absinthe. It helps with pulling
It's
in
our module.
GraphQL. Yeah, it's a module that is used for GraphQL with Phoenix. It's Phoenix just GraphQL that just doesn't come out of the box. So this is the module that they have to be used with Phoenix. And then in the back end they have lib, and inside this they have web, and inside web, yeah, they have these things that are GraphQL related, like the resolvers and the schemas, like the GraphQL. I don't know if you've done some reading for GraphQL, but
Not yet.
you okay. For GraphQL, you'll need schemas where you do your queries. For example, this is a query, and this query it will need a resolver, and that resolver will resolve this query, and this query also will need an object. So it's like doing it's like doing your models all over again, but this is so that the GraphQL API can consume. For example, here we create an object called space, and we declare a field called ID, which is not null, We declare a field called slug, which is not null. We declare a field called name, description. We do all that for all the fields, and then you tell it to resolve using this. There's this thing called data loader that you pass some arguments to it, and then it resolves that query. It goes and hits the database and gives you back the results. Yeah. So I was going through this course, and that's actually part of this course here, and
Okay.
that's what I was just doing before you joined. But then since you
All right.
joined, I thought it will not be a good use of our time to listen to this together, but maybe find
No,
some
no.
ticket that we can work on. Yeah.
I think I think no. I think it's better that I let you go with that thing because I have no idea of Elixir or Phoenix or this thing. And yeah, I just saw that course. I was thinking that it's kind of a mock session or something like that.
Yeah,
But don't worry.
and I would like you to be joining every weekend. So maybe
Yeah,
weekend.
maybe next week I can. Yeah,
Okay. So
I can I can yeah start deep look around a bit about Elixir and
okay,
GraphQL also. Yeah, can join you later.
okay. I think
Yep.
that's cool. Yeah, but
Yeah,
yeah, maybe we could have added
I
this,
know
but
I'm welcome.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Uh,
Okay, good.
okay, okay.
See you.
See you.